when you're doing your swivel seats, you need to drop your handbrake down. You've got 2 bolts in there. Right, there's your handbrake bracket. That just attaches to your handbrake bracket that's on the side of your seat. It drops it down. Then attach your handbrake back to the bracket. Right, for your driver's side, they have Torx headed nuts, and you can get them with a 7/16 socket. Push the seat all the way backwards to give you access to the front. Push the seat backwards. Once you've got this section lifted up, you'll see that the connection for the airbag is under there. Carefully remove that connection. You need to snip this in half so you can pass it through there. Once you've got them reconnected up, get those out, bolt it down. You will have some countersunk heads which will go into each corner of the base. Connect the airbag cable that's underneath, then put your 4 retaining bolts back in, lift your seat and put it on top and bolt it down using the bolts and nut supplies that come with the kit. To rotate your driver's seat, make sure your handbrake is in the down position, then it will literally just spin round like so.